Good morning or good afternoon, middle school scholars. Hope you're all doing well. After our little mishap with the Cami app, we're going to have to annotate on the Word documents. And I'm going to show y'all how to do this on this video. Let me go ahead and get started. Let me share my screen first. There we go. Should be sharing. Yep. Okay. So you're going to be annotating this article, and I'm going to show y'all all the ins and outs of doing that. First thing you're going to want to do, obviously, okay, you're going to go to pages and then find the day 3, week 3 pages, which will be on the week 3, unit 1 tab, okay? So you got your starter that you'll do in the morning or the afternoon at the beginning of class. Your directions are right here, okay? This video will be right here under the how to do assignment page. First off, reading keywords. You click on this tab, and then this opens up right here like that. All right. Okay, so that opens up. All right, told you you're looking for these words over here. Well, not all that, but these right here. That's what you're looking for. These words in the article. Okay, that tells you when important information is coming, and that's after that. That's where you underline. I showed you the rubric earlier, the cues poster, which is this right here. Okay, tells you the steps you need to take for each paragraph. Circle keywords, underline the author's idea that follows the keyword, which is you underline to the end of the sentence. Box unknown words. All right, where you don't know, box it, and then define it. Explain or elaborate your thoughts. Explain why you boxed, underlined, and circled. Synthesize, which is just a summary. Summarize the paragraph, okay? Let me go ahead and open up. Okay, so this is the article, okay? You want to click on it. It's going to come down here. You download, all right? You wait for it to load. You click Enable Editing, all right? And then make that smaller. We're going to take it off to the side over here. We're going to make it one part of the screen. Then we're going to put our keywords on the other part of the screen. Make it bigger, kind of like what we did with the fill in the blank notes the other day with the Florida students tutorial. Okay, I'm going to my reading keywords tab, minimize that, make that a little smaller. Come over here. Okay, all right, so move this out the way. All right, so we're looking for these words over here. Okay? All about Nixon resigning, what was Watergate, okay? So at 2:30 a.m., June 17th, 1972, 5 burglars were discovered in the Democratic National Committee's hotel in Watergate Hotel, about a mile from the White House. Additionally, the break-in, which took place 5 months before the presidential election, sparked a series of events that changed the course of the country's history. Okay, so let's look over here. Let's see if we can find any keywords. Okay, any keywords over here? Doesn't look like there's any in that one. Nothing in this box. Oh, right here. Additionally. So what will we do with that? Well, let me go back and check my cues poster. Okay. What was the first step? Oh, I circle keywords. Okay. So again, I got to pull that up. Okay. Now what I like to do, I like to insert a shape. Okay. Do shapes. Get this circle right here. We got to go into additionally. All right. So additionally, and then we got to edit it, the fill, okay, we press no fill, and then the outline, I can make it whatever color I want. I'm going to make it green, okay, you could just draw it, either one, okay? So I'll get my marker right here. I'm going to draw, and I could circle it like this right here. All right, circle it. All right, you can do it that way, but I prefer the shape. It's much more neat, a lot more neater, I should say. So additionally, okay, that's the keyword. And what do I do after I circle the keyword? Go back, underline the author's idea that follows the keyword, okay? So go back to home. I'm going to press underline, okay? You can keep underline, however, you can keep it on the automatic color. I'm going to make it red, okay? So I highlight after the keyword. I highlight all the way to the end of the sentence. That's a comma, so that's not the end of the sentence. And then this is the end, okay? Underline. Okay. So that tells me the important info of the paragraph. Next, I box words I don't know, okay? So let's just say I don't know burglars. What is that word? Okay, I'm going to go back to insert. I'm going to go to shapes. I'm going to click on this one. That's a box. We highlight that one. This is just an example. Whatever words you don't know, you box them. Okay. And then the fill, I've got to click no fill. And then outline, I'm going to choose a different outline than the circle. Let's do dark blue. Let's do blue. Okay. And then I can highlight this word. Okay. I can comment on it. New comment. And that brings me out to the side. Burglars. Are people who break in to a place. Okay. All right. And then I come over here. All right. So remember, the keyword tells me the important info. Additionally, okay, the break-in, which took place 5 months before the U.S. presidential election, sparked a series of events that changed the course of the country's history. Okay. So I press new comment again. Okay. And then, okay, so that important info tells me that the break-in changed how America operated, well, United States, U.S. operated during elections. Okay. All right. And then remember, it's got to be 2 sentences based on what I want for the A. So there was a quick 2-sentence summary that captures the theme of the paragraph. The break-in changed how the U.S. operated during the elections. It also was a significant, let's put important, was an important time in history because no president had ever done something like this. Okay, so that's how you annotate. That's just an example of paragraph 1. Okay, paragraph 2, I'm going to be looking for more of these keywords, okay? So I'll give you one more paragraph. Let's see. So the break-in was followed up to force the entry the previous month with the same men who stole secret documents wiretapped to the phones. While the wiretaps failed to work, they returned to finish the job. An FBI investigation, interestingly, showed all 5 had links to the White House and a chain of connections that went as high as Charles Colson, special counsel to President Nixon, and showed them to be members of the committee to re-elect the president, or nicknamed Creep. That's not really important though, okay? So let's see if we can find anything. Interestingly, okay? So interestingly is right here, okay? That's a key word, okay? Going to insert a shape again, okay? You want to do on, let me make it bigger. So insert, remember you got to go to insert shapes. We're going to go back to the circle, okay? And interestingly, no shape fill. I want my shape outline. I like it green. Y'all can choose whatever you want. You can keep it black, doesn't matter. Just make sure you're identifying the keyword, okay? Okay. And then we underline, all right? Underline. All the way to the end of the sentence. And the chain of connections, special counsel showed them to be members of, okay, the committee to re-elect the president. Underline. I'm gonna go. You don't have to do that. You can just underline it. Doesn't matter. Okay. All right. If there's any words we don't know, we box them. Let's see. Wiretapped. Let's say we don't know what wiretapped is. Shapes. Box. Okay. Let me box wiretapped. All right. No shape fill. Shape outline. We're going to come over here, and then I'm going to add a new comment. Okay, you press the comment button at the top right, new comment. Okay, wiretapped means to record when people are on the phone. All right, and then this right here, interestingly showed. Got to highlight it, press new comment. Okay, showed all 5 had links to the White House. In a chain of connections that went as high as Charles Colson, special counsel to President Nixon, showed them to be members of committee to re-elect the president. So what that tells me, that the 5 burglars, had connections to the White House. And including members of President Nixon's re-election campaign. All right. So that's my summary. Okay. Remember, you want to be using all of these. Okay, you got to use the keywords. That's why I put it in here. You got to use the cubes. So circle keywords, underline important info, box unknown words, explain what these words mean. And then the 5 burglars had connections to the White House. That's my summary. This was my summary for the first paragraph. It's got to be 2 sentences if you want the A. If you have any questions, I hope I can answer them tomorrow. If not, I hope this video definitely helps out. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a great day.